Hello guys. So in the previous video, we had seen about the different types of canal system and sponges. So if you haven't gone through that video, observe our video చూసి come to this video. So that includes the content of canal system of sponges. So coming to this video, we'll discuss about the questions of canal system and sponges. So if PYQs చూసి a content చూస్తే you can easily attempt the question. Coming to the first question, the canal system and sponges is mainly responsible for. So what's the function of canal system అని అడుగుతున్నారు. Simple circulation of water. So circulation of water ద్వారా the water will be getting the ఫుడ్ కానీ గ్యాసెస్ కానీ వేస్ట్ మాలిక్యూల్స్ గ్యామెట్స్ ఇవన్నీ వాటర్ ద్వారా సర్క్యులేట్ అవుతుంది. సో వాట్ ఎవర్ ప్రోడక్ట్స్ విచ్ ఆర్ నీడెడ్ ఫర్ ది బాడీ విచ్ ఆర్ నీడెడ్ ఫర్ ది స్పాంజెస్ దట్ విల్ బి అబ్జర్వ్. సో అల్టిమేట్లీ వాటర్ సర్క్యులేషన్ కి మనకి కెనాల్ సిస్టమ్ అనేది అవసరం. డన్. సో కమింగ్ టు ద నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. The simplest type of canal system found in the sponges. ఇప్పుడే చెప్పాను, the simplest type of canal system is the Ascenoid type. That is in the previous video లో డిస్కస్ చేసాం. And the complex type of canal system is the Leuconoid type. So ఇక్కడ మన simplest type of canal system అడిగారు కాబట్టి it is the Ascenoid type of canal system. Basic small sponges లో you can see this Ascenoid type of canal system. Coming to the next question. In which of the following canal system are guanocytes found lining the radial canals? So lining the radial canals, you can see the guanocytes in the cycanoid type of canal system, that is cycons. So sponges, that is cycons, will be having the guanocytes lining the radial canals. Next question. The function of guanocytes in sponges. So guanocytes will be lining the radial canals in cycanoid type అని చూసాం. బట్ దాని ఫంక్షన్ ఏంటి? సో ఏదైతే వాటర్ సర్క్యులేట్ అవుతుందో బాడీలో, ఆ సర్క్యులేట్ అయిన వాటర్ నుంచి ఇట్ విల్ బి క్యాప్చరింగ్ అండ్ డైజెస్టింగ్ ది ఫుడ్ మెటీరియల్. సో guanocyte స్ట్రక్చర్ ఇఫ్ యూ రిమెంబర్ ఒక సీలియా లాగా ఉంటుంది. ఇట్ విల్ బి హ్యావింగ్ ది న్యూక్లియస్. సో త్రూ దాట్ సీలియా ఇట్ విల్ బి క్యాప్చరింగ్. ఆ సీలియా ద్వారా ఫుడ్ మాలిక్యూల్స్ ని క్యాప్చర్ చేసుకొని ఆ ఫుడ్ మాలిక్యూల్స్ ని డైజెస్ట్ చేయడానికి వి నీడ్ దిస్ guanocyte cells. Done. So that's the function of the guanocytes, which are lining the radial canals. Next question. Which of the following sponges exhibits a Leuconoid type of canal system? So Leuconoid type of canal system examples ichano. Out of that, so Spongilla will be having the Leuconoid type of canal system. Cycon is cycanoid. Leucoselenia will be found in ascenoid type of canal system. Done. So coming to the next question. Water enters the sponge body through small pores, that is ostia. So water enters the body through ostia. Water will be exiting the body through the osculum. So enter by ostia, exit by the osculum. Done. Next question. The large opening through which water exists from the sponge. ఇప్పుడే చెప్పాను, through the osculum, the water will be existing out from the body, entering through the ostia or ostia. And the point is, ostia will be many. So sponge body lo chuste you can see many number of openings, that is ostia, where water enters. But osculum matram very big, very large, and only single type of opening anamata. So remember this, ostia emo chala untai, osculum matram single large opening will be present. Next question. In which type of canal system are the guanocyte chambers absent and water flows directly into the spongocele? So that is the ascenoid type of canal system, the basic type of canal system where incurrent canals kani, radial canals kani, excurrent canals kani, all this won't be developed. Simple type of canal system, ostia, spongocele, osculum. Ostia nunchi spongocele ki, spongocele nunchi osculum ki. So simple type untundannama. So question lo kuda ade adigaru, canal system in which guanocyte chambers are absent and water enters directly into the spongocele. That is the simplest type of canal system, that is ascenoid type of canal system is the answer. Next question. The water current in a cycanoid sponge passes from the incurrent canal into radial canals through a tiny opening which we call it as prosophiles. Done. So incurrent canals nunchi radial canals through the prosophiles, radial canals into nunchi excurrent canals through the apophiles. Remember this, don't get confused. Incurrent to radial by prosophiles, radial to excurrent by the apophiles. These are just the openings which allows the water from one chamber to the other chamber. Next, which cell type generates the water current in the sponges and capture food particles? ఇప్పుడే చూసాం. సో కోనోసైట్స్ will be having the hair like structure, single flagella లాగా ఉంటుంది. So that will be providing the water current and that is helpful to capture and that is helpful to digest the food molecules. A leuconoid canal system is characterized by leuconoid canal system, third type of canal system. It is a complex type of canal system. So what it is characterized by an adger? Single large central spongocoel? No. So leuconoid type of canal system doesn't have spongocoel. Direct water flow through flagellated channels into spongocoel that doesn't have spongocoel, and this point is correct for the ascenoid type. Multiple small conocyte lining chambers with no true spongocoel. Yes, it will be having incurrent, it will be having radial, it will be having the excurrent canals, but no spongocoel. Water passing through only through radial canals and each other, but this point is very true where it won't be having the spongocoel. Unique characteristics of leuconoid type is complex and having no spongocoel. Next, the most complex and efficient canal system in sponges is the highly developed canal system is the leuconoid type found in the large forms. Done? Next question. What is the correct sequence of water flow through a leuconoid type of canal system? ఇక్కడ కూడా అంతే, where you cannot see spongocoel ఎక్కడైతే లేదు, that is the leuconoid type. So wherever if you see spongocoel, cut that option. So spongocoel on this is the wrong, spongocoel on this is the wrong. Let's see these two options. So ostia through incurrent canals, conocytes, excurrent, oscul, excurrent, conocytes, incurrent. The water flows from incurrent to excurrent. Done. So B option is correct because water doesn't flow from excurrent to incurrent, it flows from incurrent to excurrent. Spongocoel unna option ni cut cheseseyandi. And next is water flows from incurrent to excurrent, not ulta. Next, the spongocoel in sponges is. So what is the spongocoel? Ippadaaka spongocoel ide word inna, which is absent in leuconoid antunnam, present in other forms antunnam. So what is actually the spongocoel? It is nothing but the cavity, that is the central cavity where water will be flowing freely, which is lined by the conocytes. So that is it, the spongocoel. A central cavity in the sponges ni manam spongocoel antam. Next, the canal system in sponges consists of which of the following types? Ascenoid, cycanoid, leuconoid, and Ragan type of canal system. If they add Ragan also, you can add it here. Done. Next, which of the following is not a characteristics of canal system in the sponges? Not a characteristic canal either. Done. So it facilitates the nutrients and oxygen distribution. Yes. Circulation process. It is made up of several interconnected chambers. Yes. Incurrent canals, flagellate, radial canals, excurrent canals, spongocoel, many chambers are present. It consists of central nervous system. No, central nervous system is absent. It helps in waste removal. Yes. Waste removal, absorption of food, absorption of oxygen, getting the gametes. Many interconnected chambers are present. So all these are characteristics of canal system, except it doesn't consist of nervous system. So nervous system ki canal system ki eklanti link లేదు. Next question and the last question. The cells that form the ostia are. So porocytes are the cells which will be surrounding the ostia, are responsible for the water to enter into the sponges body. So this is about the PYQs of canal system and sponges. Go through the content. Our video lo content chudandi. Come to this video. See this PYQs. You'll be getting a clear idea of this. Thank you.